Hi, I'm Sarah from You Floral, and I thought I'd talk to you guys today about carnations, which are one of my favorite flowers to use in DIY bouquets. So the reasons are, number one, they're super affordable. So this is a great option, especially if you're doing things like arches, because they fill up a lot of space and they're one of the most cost-effective things to use in your bouquets. A second reason is how long they last. So these ones, today is Monday, and I've had these flowers since Friday, and they still look absolutely phenomenal. In fact, they're not quite as open as I would want them to be. So that's another thing I wanted to tell you guys about today. So these carnations, they are a slow opener. So I'm gonna show you guys today a trick in order to force them open. So you can see this one here. It's still pretty small bloomed, so I'm gonna wanna open it bigger so that way when it's in my bouquet, it looks as full as possible. So I'm going to just take the parts on the side, these green parts, and just peel them down every second one. And then I'm gonna take my fingers and just sort of push open the carnation like this, and then that way it gets it way fuller. So you can see the difference between, like, here's one that I did not do it to and one that I did, and there's substantial size difference. So that's one thing you'll want to know about your carnations, because like I said, these are already been a couple days opening and they're still not quite as open as I want them to be. So you want to make sure you have that trick in your toolbox. The other thing that's kind of neat about carnations is if you actually take the middle and you rip out the blooms, you get a totally different look out of them. So that's kind of fun if you want to make your bouquets look a little bit more unique, then it's not the super traditional carnation look. And I'm just going to pull out the centers. It's especially nice with this Crayola variety. It's also known as a terracotta carnation because they have sort of a green middle. And so it's just a super different look when you take out the middles on them. So if you buy terracotta carnations, this is the variety we'll actually send you. It's Crayola, or sometimes we also send Lege Marron. But look how cool it looks with the original versus the one that I pulled the center out of. So there you have it. There's a couple of things that are important to know about carnations if you choose to use them in your DIY bridal bouquets. Thanks for watching, and let me know if you have questions.